If you're considering a screen protector for your new iPhone 16 Pro, and you should be considering a screen protector for your new iPhone, there's two features that you must look for in the install to make it as effortless as possible. One is that the screen protector features some kind of a template or a plastic frame that guides the screen protector in place so that it takes out all the guesswork and makes sure that it is aligned perfectly. Two is that when you remove the plastic backing off of the screen protector to expose the adhesive before it falls in place, that happens while the screen protector is above your phone. This means that from the moment you cleaned your phone to when you laid the screen protector in place, any stray dust or debris that may have gotten on your screen is removed by the static electricity that's generated by pulling off that plastic backing. It's really an ingenious design that eliminates any possibility of mistakes or issues happening and making it an effortless process for you to install a really clean screen protector. I previously covered the Easy Fit screen protector by Spigen for my iPhone 15 Pro, and it had the frame to line it up perfectly, but it did not have the method of it pulling off the adhesive backing as it's over top of your phone. Someone mentioned in the comments that I should give Torras a try, and I've used Torras cases before and really like them, so when I saw that that was how the screen protector was installed, and the method of removing that dust particles off of the screen as you're removing the backing, similar to D-Brands and other manufacturers who do the same, I knew I needed to give that a shot for my iPhone 16 Pro. The kit comes already preloaded with one of the screen protectors inside of what they're calling the guidance frame, so that after you get it clean, you just lay it in place, remove the backing, and let the screen protector fall into place. It also features a backup screen protector in case for some reason you get it wrong or it breaks down the road and you need to reinstall a second one, as well as all the cleaning materials that you're used to: wet wipes, dry wipes, stickers, microfiber cloths, and instruction manual for how to install this screen protector, as well as a scraper here on the back of the packaging in case you have any air bubbles after the install. So since there's two of these in the kit, we'll set one of these aside with the screen protector, put it back in the envelope for whenever I need it in the future. I'm going to start with the wet wipe. The install method does ensure that any extra dust or debris that may have fallen on your phone is removed, but it won't remove smudges, so you need to make sure you get all the fingerprints and smudges off of the screen before you begin the install process. Follow that up with the microfiber cloth to remove all the water spots. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's completely clean now. But there is one small scratch right here that will not wipe off, so that is actually damage to the screen. And that's why it's really important to have a screen protector on your iPhone, because damages like that are not covered. Even if you have Apple Care Plus, Apple does not cover scratches to the screen, so you have to wait until the screen actually breaks before they will replace it under warranty. Now that everything's been wiped down really good, I'm going to take one of these dust removal stickers, which they're calling a dust absorber. Some really good marketing there. Try to get off any remaining dust off of the screen. Lay the screen protector in place and then remove. You'll notice it's just gliding across the screen and pulling off any dust and debris that I may have left behind. And now the screen protector can fall in place on a completely clean iPhone screen. It says you should wait 5 seconds for it to fall into place, but I think it's probably going to take a little bit longer than that. I'm going to apply a little force to get it to install. And now you're supposed to just peel up the install frame, which should leave behind the screen protector. It's a little nerve-wracking pulling that off so slowly, but I want to make sure it doesn't actually pull the screen protector back off. Now if I turn it back off, I can see I've got one air bubble in the middle, so I'm going to run that out to the edge with the included tool. think the key here is I'm just got to keep pressing a little harder than I expect, but the air bubbles are making their way to the edge and they will eventually escape out through the edge of the screen protector. So it looks like rather than the air bubbles escaping, if I just kind of press on them hard, the screen protector is applying. So I'm not sure what's causing that, but in the end, it does look like it's a clean install all the way around. With the only imperfection I see is the scratch that I had on the screen before I got started. And one of the really cool things about these screen protectors is the screen protector actually has a black outline around the edge of it, which ends up lining up well with the black border around the iPhone screen. Other than a couple of small air bubbles under the screen protector, this was one of the easiest screen protector installs ever. Now I can install it back in my case for full protection all around. And this is the civilian case by UAG. That's what I'm currently rocking. If you'd like to see my thoughts on this case, as well as several others that UAG sent me, then make sure you click subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever that content comes out in the very near future. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, then please consider giving it a thumbs up as well. It helps the video become a lot more successful on YouTube, and I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.